Good morning everyone. The Honorable Professor Dr. Mashhadi Said MPD, as the lecturer of academic speaking for scientific purposes and all audience. My name is Kurnia Melinda and I am a student of the Master of English Education at Indraprastha University. Today I would like to present my midterm exam video presentation for the academic speaking for scientific purposes course. The topic of my presentation is supporting your ideas. In this presentation, I will explain why supporting your ideas are important. Examples, statistic, testimony, and oral citation. And last, conclusion. I hope this presentation will be useful and easy to understand. Let's begin. Why supporting your ideas? Before discussing the type of supporting materials, we need to understand why supporting ideas are important in public speaking. Sometimes, speakers only express opinions without evidence or explanation. As a result, the audience may feel confused. Supporting materials are important because they help speakers first clarify ideas, second strengthen arguments, third increase credibility, and make presentation more persuasive. For example, if a speaker only says pollution is dangerous, the statement is still too general. However, if a speaker adds example, statistic, and testimony, the audience can understand the topic more clearly. In addition, supporting materials help speakers appear more professional and trustworthy. Therefore, supporting ideas are essential in effective public speaking. Now, let's move to the first supporting materials, which is example. Example are specific cases used to explain ideas or situation. They help audience understand information more easily and makes presentation more interesting. There are three types of example. First, brief example. There are short example used quickly to explain a point. Second, extended example. There are longer stories or anecdotes that contain more detail and emotion. Third, hypothetical example. There are imaginary situations that help audience visualize ideas more clearly. Example are effective because they first explain ideas clearly, second makes presentation interesting, and last help audience remember information. Overall, example makes presentation more personal and easier to understand. Statistic. The next supporting materials is statistics. Statistics are numerical data used to support ideas, explain facts, or show trends. Statistics are useful because numbers can make presentation more confusing. For example, instead of saying many teenagers use social media, a speaker can say more than 90% of teenagers use social media every day. The second statement sounds more reliable because it uses data. However, statistics should be used carefully. Speaker should first use reliable sources, second avoid using too many numbers, and explain statistics simply and clearly. When statistics are used properly, they strengthen arguments and increase credibility. Testimony. Testimony is a quotation or statement used to support ideas. There are two types of testimony. First, expert testimony. This type comes from professional or expert in a specific field. Second, peer testimony. This comes from ordinary people with personal experiences. Testimony is important because it adds credibility, create emotional connection, and support argument effectively. A speaker should always use testimony honestly and accurately. Next, oral citation. Besides using supporting materials, speaker also need to cite sources orally. Oral citation means mentioning the source of information during a presentation. It is important because first, show honesty, second, avoid plagiarism, and last, increase professionalism. Usually, speakers mention the authors or organization or source title and the publication date. For example, according to Stephen Lucas in The Art of Public Speaking, supporting materials strengthen a speaker message. Oral citation help audience trust the information more. In conclusion, supporting materials are essential in public speaking. Example clarify ideas, statistics provide evidence, testimony increase credibility, and oral citation build trust. Effective supporting materials makes presentation clearer, stronger, and more persuasive. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation usable and helpful for all of us. That's it's all from me. Have a great day.